Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will cover how to change your default web browser in Windows 11. First, open your settings menu, then go to apps, go to default apps. Now select your favorite web browser and enable it in all these forms, and that's all you have to do. It may look a little bit complicated, but when you enable your favorite web browser in all these forms, it will be your default in anything web related. It's really simple but a little bit annoying, especially for media playback, because the number of formats is a lot. This is really a stupid move from Microsoft to make people favor her softwares somehow. But anyway, I hope that you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next video, bye.